Welcome back. Does the viral TikTok lemon balm elixir actually work for weight loss? It's got 1.5 million views on TikToks, featured on Morning America. This is what it looks like. Got the little mix on the other side there. And then the claims are that lemon balm can aid weight loss and ease digestion, regulate blood sugar, reduce bloating, boost immunity, and alleviate menstrual cramps, boosts brain and the nervous system, improves sleep quality and focus, and decreases stress and anxiety. So let's talk about these claims and talk about whether the lemon balm recipe is likely to help you lose weight. Welcome. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance, where I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. I like to help you with science-based information so you know what will help you lose weight and what won't, so you can make sustainable changes in your health supports your life, instead of all or nothing crash diets or feeling like something's wrong with you if lemon balm doesn't work for you. So let's get into the recipes. 1 cup fresh lemon balm grass, rinse in cool water. Some use mint as a substitute. The tablespoon of fresh minced ginger, a tablespoon of fresh minced garlic, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of raw honey. I want to point out that lemon balm is a kind of mint. It's not a lemon. It's like a citrusy tasting mint. All right, so the leaves, what you do, put a cup and a half of them in hot water, simmer for 10 minutes, empty into a mason jar, and let it cool for 30 minutes. Then you add lemon and honey to the cooled mixture, shake it well, and chill in the fridge for 3 days. On day 3, you add a tablespoon of the mix to a glass of water. And that's supposed to give you incredible weight loss results according to trending videos on TikTok. Leave a comment if you've tried that. So, what I did find in my research is that lemon balm extract, ALSL 1023, regulates obesity and improves insulin sensitivity via activation. This is the name of the study. It's linked below on YouTube. You can check it out. Basically, the conclusion said that lemon balm extract may be a useful drug to prevent obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. Further studies will be necessary to identify and characterize active components of lemon balm extract. So click like. That is fascinating. I was wondering about that. Other ingredients in this concoction, the mix here: honey offers antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-proliferative, anti-cancer, and anti-metastatic effects, according to the National Library of Medicine. That's linked below as well. Garlic produces sulfur compounds such as allicin, which boosts the immune response of white blood cells, compounds of antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antifungal effect. Then more in the reading and research. Liz Winandi, she's a dietitian at Ohio State University. She said people use lemon balm for a number of reasons, including increasing immune function, promoting digestion, relieving anxiety and stress, lowering cholesterol, and combating cold sores. While some evidence supports these perks, weight loss isn't typically one of the primary benefits of lemon balm tea or water. She also said those looking to lose should focus less on potions and more on portion control, reducing sugar intake, and incorporating fruits and vegetables into their daily diet. Over time, these small actions can really add years and quality of life for people with no crazy detox concoctions involved. That's something that I can agree with. Overall, what I've discovered and what I've been studying with these supplements and these trending topics, it's not like this is the last step that you needed in order to lose weight. You probably needed to have a plan for healthy eating, knowing what that looks like, eating less fast food, eating less fried foods, more fiber, more fruits and veggies, less soda, less junk food, like midnight, late night snacks with chips and all the like less healthy things that you know aren't really helping you lose weight. That's probably what needs to change. It's not going to be extremely helpful just to switch up and add this lemon balm tea, because that doesn't directly impact your calorie balance. And that's what contributes to weight loss. Click like if that makes sense. So it's very easy for someone to post something online and it gets very popular, and that's good and everything. It's just, is it actually effective for sustainable weight loss? You always have to drink lemon balm tea in order to lose weight? Or have you tried several things over the last few years and you're struggling and you think lemon balm tea is the solution? And that is the question for you to answer. If you want support, this is what I do on my channel. And then I also have links below. You can book a call. We can talk about what you want, what you've tried, and how I can help. So, do you want to lose weight sustainably without mysterious social media teas or all or nothing diets? Subscribe to the channel. I've got the guilt free game plan. It's the most compassionate way to build your self control so you lose weight sustainably and lead to healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams. So, if that sounds good to you, check the link below and you can book a call. It's free. So, let me know what you think. Lemon balm for weight loss. Are you going to do it? I don't know. It could have benefits. However, you don't necessarily have to put all those ingredients into one tea and drink them together and then expect it to miraculously cause you to lose weight. That's my take on it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And then next you can watch Stop Buying Scam Supplements. Stop looking for quick solutions to long-term challenges. I'll put that video right here. So that's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace.